Hi, I'm Massey from HSP Vehicle Accessories. I'm here today to show you guys the HSP Roll Art Cover Series 3.5 and the load bar to suit the SsangYong Musso short and long bed. Let's take a look. The great thing about the Roll Art Cover is that it works with 5 different modes of application. So you've got your factory remote, the integrated touchpad into the side rails, lock and unlock internal buttons, voice command through Siri, as well as the mobile phone app. We've also got a 4-point drainage system designed to carry water away that can drain at over 60 litres per minute. And something that's really individual is the external grate system. So that allows the water that's sitting on the curtain to drain through into one of the 4 drainage points as well. So for security, all of the slats are interlocking, which means you simply just can't cut through them with some sort of a box cutter. The Roll Art Cover is the most aesthetically pleasing cover of all. It's got the slimmest side rails, which not only look fantastic on the vehicle, but it looks like a real OE integrated product. But those side rails are also profile cut. You've also got a universal channel just built into here. That universal channel allows you to put stuff like the HSP load bar. Now the load bar is a crossbar system that's perfect for when you want to carry on top of the cover as well as within. The load bar system also has its own universal channels built into the top, which you can use to mount bike racks or snowboard holders or whatever your imagination can think of, from leading brands such as Rhino, Yakima, Thule. The unit also has the smallest canister on any electric roll top that we've seen. And I want to show you how that works. So I'll just open it again using the factory remote. What we can see is the canister tapers down. It's got a built-in LED light. It looks really premium, and that's because it is. In addition to that, it's the only canister that has a 100% retraction. So the entire curtain goes into the canister. There's no parts that are sticking out. The Roll Art Cover, it's the only 100% Australian made roll top. No one makes a roll top in Australia. We keep a lot of jobs alive in Australia, but more importantly, we are able to connect with the community and build a product that we think is perfect for the environment that we're selling it in. So there you go, that's the SsangYong Musso HSP Roll Art Cover to suit the short and long bed. For any more information, please visit www.hsputeleads.com or visit us on any of our social media channels at HSP4x4.